Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel and I'm here with a new video. And yes, you read it right, it's not about the makeup, it's all about the skincare, and we are specifically going to talk about the night skincare routine. Since many of you wanted to know my skincare routine, so I'll be sharing that. And particularly night, I feel that it's the most important and special time for your skin to get regenerated. So just let's start with it. The first step is remove your makeup. Yes. So even if you have the tiniest of makeup, like even the lipstick or just kajal or mascara, remove it with the makeup remover. And my two current favorites are the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, the pink one, and another one is the oil-free eye makeup remover from Neutrogena. So I specifically use it to remove the eye makeup, and this one I use it to remove any other things on my face. So these two are my current favorite makeup removers. Okay, the next step is cleansing. For cleansing, I use the Nivea Purifying face wash. This green one. This is for mixed to oily skin. The best thing I like about this face wash is it doesn't make your skin dry. I have a combination skin. It maintains the moisture balance, and it also has the small peeling particles into it, which deeply cleanses your skin without making it feeling dry. So this was my first purchase of this face wash, and I'm surely gonna rebuy it. The next step is toning your skin. Yes, toning is very important, and for that I use this Neutrogena Hydra Boost Toner. As you can see, it's like less than half, and it's very nice. I think I'm in love with the complete Neutrogena Hydra Boost line, and that is very good for the combination skin. It again maintains the moisture balance without making your skin dry. And this one is my current favorite. So all the girls who have a combination skin or oily skin, I think you should give it a try. The next comes a very important step, and that is moisturizing. For that, I am using this Olay Revitalizing Night Cream. Just a minute, I'll just open it and show you. So this has a very thick consistency. I usually don't go with thick face creams in the morning time, but I love this at the night because it actually provides all the moisture and deep penetrates into your skin, making it feel very soft and smooth. So this thick texture, I actually give it a very like a good 1 minute massage to my face after applying this. If you see, it actually melts into your skin very easily and nicely. After giving a good massage, your skin feels very smooth and soft. So this one I'm currently loving. It's from the Olay Revitalizing Night Cream. It's nothing about the age rewind cream. I am not sure all those creams work or not, but I'm loving this because it makes my skin very soft. Okay, next I'm going to use, what I use is the Body Shop Vitamin E Cream. So this is nothing to do with your dark circles, whether it will remove your dark circles or something. No. But since your under eye area is the thinnest part of your face, and obviously it needs that extra care and extra moisture. So for that I use this Body Shop Vitamin E Cream. This is the under eye cream. I think you can use a good almond oil as well. So you do not need to use a lot here. So it's just basically a tiny drop. So these are the two, as you can see, these are the two drops. So one I use under this side and another under this side. And the job is done. Okay, my next step is the Innisfree Pore Slipping Mask. Guys, trust me, I earlier never knew about something like this exists. I just saw it on Nykaa and bought it randomly. But now I am obsessed with it. I'm literally obsessed with it. As you can see, my tub is almost finished. This product has a gel-like consistency, and you do not need to apply a lot on your face. So you just need to take a little bit. So once you have applied your moisturizer and eye cream, you just need to take a little bit, rub it into your fingers, and just tap it and apply it on your face after the moisturizer. Currently, it won't give you a very good feeling because you'll feel that your face is a little wet and it's looking like little bit sticky, but once you wake up in the morning, trust me guys, your skin will be baby soft. I mean, like, I'm obsessed with this product currently. I'm surely gonna buy the next one. I think I should order it now before it gets finished. Since I think it goes a long way because you just need to apply a little bit, and this is my personal recommendation to you to buy this one. You'll actually feel a lot of difference once you wake up in the morning. Your skin will like really feel very smooth, fresh, and baby soft. Yes, baby soft is the word. Okay, that's it for my night skincare routine. I hope you do not find it very complicated. Actually, it's not. It hardly takes me 5 minutes to like do it fast. And just to give a recap, I remove my makeup with a makeup remover. For that, I use the Garnier one. And the rest is just the CTM routine. It's the cleansing, for which I use this Nivea face wash. The moisturizing, the toner, for which I use this Neutrogena Hydra Boost toner, and the moisturizer, for which I use this Olay night cream for the moisturizing. The only extra step I do is putting the this Innisfree pore cleaning mask. The pore sleeping mask. And yes, I would again say I highly recommend this product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're not like currently into the CTM routine, I would highly suggest just start with it. It won't take much time. It will hardly take 5 minutes of yours before sleeping, and slowly and gradually you'll feel that there's slight difference into your skin. You'll feel your skin is more healthy. So it's worth investing your time into this. And it's not specifically you need to buy these particular products which I have shared. So these are the products that suit me and I love them. You can use any products of your choice, or you think there's few products that like they are suitable for your skin type, just go for it. But my only suggestion is follow it religiously. I hope you enjoyed this video, and do let me know in the comment section your thoughts about it and what else you want to know. I will be more than happy to share with you guys. Till then, bye bye.